Hey preschool families, it's Jen. You've got your school portrait galleries ready, and I just wanted to take a minute and walk you through just a couple tips for ordering. So you'll end up on this page, which is the landing page for preschool families, and it has some information here. When you scroll down to the bottom, you'll hit View Gallery, and it will take you to the preschool, St. Mark's Preschool Gallery for the fall 2018. You'll hit Open Gallery, you'll enter your email address, and the password is St. Mark's, STMARKS, Open Gallery. And when you get in here, you will see the names of all the students. So you'll scroll down and look for your student, and I'm going to use, as an example, we're going to use David. You guys might recognize David and Mason, and this particular child, David, has a brother, Mason, and so you'll see David's pictures here, Mason's pictures are in this album, and then this album is the siblings together. So you'll click on the album, and you will see the pictures come up of your child. You can click the photo and scroll through them. You can click it so that you can see it larger. And if you want to buy the image, you'll click up here and hit Buy Photo. And here's where you'll see the different options. For prints, we have packages and classic print sizes. The packages are just for one particular pose, so you'll choose the image and then the package will contain all of those. The digital media is probably the most important here. If you wanted to just purchase this image, then you would click here for single digital image, $25, and that will give you a download of this particular file. If you wanted all of the images just for David, then you would click here, One Child, All Digital Images, and it will be an immediate download. So after you pay, check out and pay for your order, you'll within just a few minutes receive an email with a link to download the pictures, and it's really easy. It does have to be on a PC, it does have to be on a computer. The software has limitations where it will not let you download the original to your phone, so make sure you're at your computer. You'll add it to your cart, and here we're going to go back, buy another item, and we'll go back to the gallery and see the siblings. So in the sibling gallery, you'll see the brothers together here. Then also you'll see one of the brothers and then the other brother. And so the sibling gallery, let's see, you'll click on an image, and to buy that, again, it gives you the prints, the digital media. Again, you can buy the single image. For this particular one, if you wanted the siblings, all of the siblings in the album, then you'll choose two siblings, and that will give you all 22 photos that are in their album. And so it will be all of David's, all of Mason's, and then all of the photos of them together. And when you purchase that, again, it's an immediate download. Add it to your cart. And then when you go in here, you just will check out. And again, that will just happen immediately to walk through. You do want to make sure that the email address that you put in here is the correct email, because that will be where they will send the link. Up here, you can hit favorites. If you have particular favorites, as you go through your images, it will let you star them to have your favorites. We can go back here. So again, just a few tips. I'm going to show you one other thing. We'll go back into David's album, and so we walk through the prints and the digital media. Also available, and these are great for gifts, are canvas. Under the canvas, we have different sizes for a canvas gallery wrap. We have metal prints, which are just beautiful, striking prints where the image is printed on metal and it has an easel back that's attached to it. Gift items, we have a metal ornament, and then there are photo charms for a necklace or a bracelet. And then also retouching. If your child has a blemish or a boo-boo or a stain or anything that you need retouched, you can select it for one image or for an entire album, and then it will come up and let you put a note when you're checking out, and just let me know if you want me to take, if there's a boo-boo on their face or whatever it might be. Just let me know and we'll get that taken care of. And I absolutely loved photographing your kids, so thank you so much for the opportunity. It was an absolute joy, and I hope you love the photos as much as I loved creating them. And if you have any questions at all, just reach out to me. You can find my contact information on actually right in here. You can call me, text me, or send me an email, and I will help you out. Thanks a lot.